Hello guys, how are you? You're enjoying Gadget Pro. Hey gamers, handle trends shift faster than your Wi-Fi final peak. Just when you thought everything was settled with the Switch OLED, Bum Nintendo runs the Switch 2, pushing portable gaming into next-gen territory. And don't skip this video till the end. If you want to like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. First up, tell the bigger 7.9-inch LCD screen. Now 80p at silky 120 has refrigerated handle, so visual pop and animation feels fluid. Even though its LCD SDR and VRR gives you deep colors at a smooth. As better press all the black levels may be better. But this is scripts sharp and fast as heck. Quick take all this concert with bigger smoother LCD. Gloss simulator mode LCD with 4 action. Custom device with DLSS and ray tracing about 10x more graphics power than the old Switch. Plus heavy hitters like Cyberpunk 2077 Breath of the Wild at high performance if you are Switch crunched on big titles. This one's run nip. No more storage panic, 256 GB internal UFS. Now plus micro SD Express expandability. Those big gifts like Mario Kart World make sense now jingling memory card. Goes from deletes games constantly to keep your fuse installed. Magnetic attachment bigger along sticks mouse mode HD Rumble 2.0. There's a dedicated game chat button too, because voice plus play is equal to friend hangouts. Feels more premium and jitter efficient. In the dock you can hit the 4K at 60 Hz or 1440p at 120 Hz. The smooth all over TV. Dock gets a built-in fan and internet solid upgraded over OG. It's not Atlas higher graphics power, but for your TV, Mario Kart World Open World co-ed rewind features. Built for the new screen per Metro Premium 4. Donkey Kong based the GameCube Classic VI Switch online on the Switch 2. So is the Switch 2 worth it? Bigger screen, better power, more storage, 4K dock and Nintendo done a solid next gen step. Now you tell me if you are a student saying purchasing gaming upgrades. Which parts gets you vote? Screen, power, storage or the game? Hit the comments below and tell me. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and if you want more gadget reviews update to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more gadget videos.